How to post in LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn mobile app from your Play Store. Now we are going to open the LinkedIn mobile app on your phone. Now we are going to know that how to add posts on in LinkedIn mobile app. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. At the bottom, at the third point, you can see here post icon. Click on this plus mark and you can write. If you want to write something, you have to write something. If you want to create any of the post from your phone gallery, you have to select that and you can post. Click on add and that post will be added. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.